just finished eating 2 triple hamburgers from McDonald's there. So there's now a river of grease running through my truck. We're heading to Clayton's. I thought I'd make a video because we haven't posted anything in a while. If you make it to the end of the video, it'll be revealed what my new project is probably gonna be. I'm super excited about getting this certain type of vehicle, which I've really wanted before a lot. And I've had the damn fever for it this week. So I've been looking all over Canada, a little bit in the States, and I'll continue to look. But yeah, we can go into that and a whole bunch more once we get to Clayton's. Woo, drift. Hopefully there's no cops. Yeah, buddy. SPPTV, go. All right, but seriously though, look at our gas here right now. You guys in the States, you gotta take into account what we do per liter. But 99.9, it hasn't been under $1 per liter in like super long. Hopefully this place has its air filling hose out and it's free. Because as usual, this thing has some flat tires. And we're in luck. You guys want a outside montage of while I fill the tires? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. YouTube montage, filling up the tires. Da, 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 da. Techno music. Bow, bow, bow. Then the beat drops. Woo, woo. See that crazy drift and power skid I did, guys? Wowee! That's hit the road. Anyways, silly YouTube guy being silly parody over. Do you guys get that, or does that go over your head sometime? I feel like I don't have to like point it out, but you never know. There's some people might be new to the channel. So we're a car channel. Oh, there's a car in the ditch and a tow truck trying to pull it out. Speaking of car channels, it is slippery as fuck out here tonight. I probably should be paying attention fully to the road, but we're 4x4, it's good. So we're going to Clayton's and we're going to talk about some stuff that's going to be happening with the channel, and I want to pose some questions to you guys, get your opinions on some stuff, and just kind of shoot the shit a little bit. I think what's this guy doing? Just slowing down. He's seen enough. He's turning back. It's too dangerous out here. People are just ripping past me. I'm going about 85 kilometers an hour. The limit's 100. But there's some nights, I'm sure you guys know, where you just should not be driving the limit. This looks like one of them. The roads look like super icy, glazed over, and you know, it's not really worth the risk. Just go a little bit slower. Meanwhile, other days when the roads are perfectly dry, everyone's going 70. We have arrived. Wolf. Look at that. It's high performance right there, boys. And this is an amazing table ready to be made and assembled. Just needs a bit of glass. Really though, that actually works pretty good for mock-up, which is what they did in this car here. You know which one it is?
It's too cold to go to the fucking dump this weekend.
We got pajamas today, guys. It's an upgrade. Don't do that. There'll be memes of that.
Pull it out, pull it out. What's the size?
I guess you guys would have seen the wires. I think that was in a video. They've since put the transmission wires under there, situated the ECM. That's all gonna be coming up in their video.
Mounted.
Yeah. If this is the first video you guys watched, we've done this LS in, well, Mustang thing twice, in S truck twice.
Your car's half done.
Yeah, I'd forget about the Sonics thing. I bet you guys never would have thought.
And what's today's video?
Just shooting the shit, talking about the channel and what's coming up. Vlogging.
Big things.
Vlogging.
Big things.
Vlogging and vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Is that like data logging?
Say everything again you just said in the last 15 minutes. We're just talking about this thing. He was
making a list of things to do in my head.
laying stuff out.
I took yesterday off. Yesterday was Sunday, and we'd usually pick away at it, but didn't do a damn thing on it yesterday. So I was telling Michael I was feeling guilty. But it's okay to take a rest too. Yeah, lots of little things. Make a list so I don't forget.
What do you guys think of the name of this project?
It isn't the name. That's just that's the name of that bracket. He hasn't picked a name for the car yet. You guys could definitely help out with that.
Yeah.
Drop a suggestion.
Post down in the comments. We'll definitely relay it.
It's got to be something father-son related, obviously.
That's not loin fruit.
Well, yeah, Rob.
Fruit of loin.
Rob, like, what was it? Not Wikipedia, but
Sleeve of wizard.
What's that website you go for the definition of words? Anyway,
Urban Dictionary.
Urban Dictionary. And apparently, translates to tasty genitalia, which was obviously not the intended meaning of that bracket. So yeah, help me pick a name. Help us pick a name. Help Riley pick a name. Definitely not me. I don't need no help.
Yeah, we went and picked up some stuff for this Ripper from Princess Auto the other day. Some of you guys probably know
American
Princess.
version of, or Canadian version of what?
I was about to say it, but you started. What is it?
I can't remember.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight, yes.
Yeah, that place. It's pretty big. That's what she said.
Princess Auto?
Yeah.
No, there's lots of shit there.
We also went to Uncle Wiener's. Any of you guys have Uncle Wiener's where you're from?
That was an experience.
It's a discount place. We were blind when we left because there's a bunch of lights.
Yeah, we were looking at Chinese.
We were looking at
lighting.
Yeah, updating the lighting situation with some LEDs.
There's another $500 just like that.
Yeah, that's what it worked out to. For 6, they were 150 watt, right? 650 watt LED, like meant to be hung from the ceiling lights.
150 watt, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think that would help.
Or we just get the cornhole light
In
for
the
that.
summer with the doors open,
Garage
the light
door.
don't matter there anyway, but have to figure the light situation out here.
Yeah.
Like Rob says, it's a bloody cave.
Yeah. And I mean, this thing is pretty good. Definitely lights the shit out of stuff, but it goes through bulbs.
Makes good heat.
Definitely makes good heat.
Good in the winter, bad in the summer.
Yeah.
Or bad if you lean into it.
It's also kind of I don't know if you get a different bulb. It's probably, they're all similar. They kind of have that yellow tinge of lighting.
Yeah, I'm lucky to get
low light temperature or whatever.
300 hours on a bulb.
Yeah.
Just eats through them. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be. I don't think so.
Also, a website. If we were to have a website, post your comments below, like what you want us to have on there. I already think a forum. Obviously, we'd have the merch on there. Maybe like a tech section with just like quick links to like the wiring harness pinout and like torque specs for an LS engine and just like bullshit like
Nobody
that.
wants to follow us for tech tips.
No, but like they wouldn't even be ours. They would just be like links to other websites. Like a racing, we can put a racing calculator on there, but I don't know. That everyone just kind of uses that other website for that, so I don't know if that's necessary. What are you guys feeling for the videos? Like, what kind of videos do you want to see? Should we do like more like, are you sick of seeing us work on cars? Should we do like things around that?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
I'm asking them,
We
but
should stay doing what we're doing.
Yeah.
Because that's what we do. What else are we doing? Like a sleeping video? Or are we switching hobbies?
Well, we've been a pool channel, stereo channel, Liquorberry channel. I don't mean that big of a change. I just mean like, say we start doing more garage invasions or shit like that, where we like go and visit Ed's garage and see all the super rare Mustangs, but we go someone else's.
We should do more.
Or should we like, I don't think we're really the guys that are like, start talking about news and like we kind of thought that before. Maybe we do like a weekly like stories that stand out to us.
Get a news desk and a suit and tie?
No, in a garage, I'm sure. In t-shirts, but yeah, I don't know, we could do that. We could also do like a weekly frequently asked questions and put that into one thing. I think like a weekly, just we record this one video steadily, release it on like Sunday or something would be kind of cool.
I didn't listen. What was that?
Oh, I don't think they did either. Next, we're gonna talk about the big surprise. My next project vehicle. Quite the shelves of LS stuff here now.
Yeah, that's what fucking telling me about.
Turbo tubes sticking out. Heads out there.
Taking up too much space.
A little dark, but intake. Transmission.
I don't know, it's somewhere around here.
Heads here. Looking for some stock Fox body Ford junk. Battery connector for the wiring.
The starter harness. Direct fit.
Not in here? No.
I'll have to look once the cars are here.
By the way, guys, 500 likes on this video and I'll cut my hair. Deal? Deal. By Friday.
How many likes?
500.
No way.
Probably won't happen. I guess they don't want me to cut my hair. It's very long. I don't want to cut it at all.
You should leave it.
I should. Forever. So, the big surprise. It's not really a big surprise. But what are your thoughts if I were to get a square body Chevy? Like my plan is to kind of get a long box for cheap, like 1,000 to 2,000 Canadian dollars. Hopefully with like minimal rust, like the engine can be junk. I'd preferably like one with a V8 just to be able to cruise around with a small block, like a Gen 1 small block Chevy for a while. Because they're cool and carburetors are cool and I really miss having a carbureted car. And it'd just be really cool to have one again. And for $1,000 or $2,000, I'd get one. I would like to shorten it. And I think that'd be something cool to document on the channel. I've watched a couple of videos on it and everyone has like their own way of doing it. Seems to work out half decent.
My neighbor, like literally across the street.
Exactly.
Did it.
He definitely gave me some of the idea, inspiration. He did it with a 67 72. I believe it's a 67 actually. C10. Those ones are a little bit more money, harder to come by around here and probably everywhere. So I'm looking at the square body. I always liked square body since I was young. It's like spur of the moment. I've got square body fever. I'm really looking for one. If you're local and you know of one for cheap, I mean, I'm willing to look at anything, but I'd like to have one that I could rip around at least now a little bit.
Is there any at the junkyard?
There has been some decent. That could be another thing. Maybe just buy one out of there. That would be perfect actually for the
Just cut
videos.
the frame in half there, and then just pull it out half frame at a time, and that's how you get the whole thing on.
Yeah, we could wheelbarrow it. We just need to put it on a hood and slide it.
A good hood, not a beat up hood.
Yeah. So I'm looking mostly in Manitoba, where we're from, and Saskatchewan, the neighboring province, because they actually have a lot of non-rusty farm truck examples of square bodies there.
From northwestern Ontario.
More rust usually. I've looked there. There hasn't been too many. I'm really looking everywhere. I would also be working on it in the winter outside. which would make for some fun videos. The GoPro 7 actually has really good cold resistance. I tested it the other day in a video you might never see, but might be posted sometime.
LS or Coyote swap?
Yeah, that's the other thing. My big plan is not to keep this truck, it's to eventually flip it. Like I want to build it for fun and to rip it around a bit and then move it on. And then maybe get another kind of thing. Like I don't need another, I've got the Sierra, I mean that's kind of whatever, that's my daily. But the S15 and the Sonic Stang aren't really going anywhere. I'm not gonna sell them.
No, they're not going fucking anywhere. Like not going forward.
Yeah, no, the S15's great. Besides the squirrel nest under the hood, it's ready to rip.
I'm not talking about that.
Yeah, the Sonic Stang, that'll get done next year. It's not as exciting as a car that you're trying to make money. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I need some in the truck I can do meanwhile doing that. And hopefully you guys are excited about it, because I'm probably going to get one, no matter what. I mean, I'm not really asking for your...
So I gotta push one of my cars out to get this thing in? Or?
No, it's going to live outside. It's a dirty square body. It's probably going to be a farm truck. There's probably going to be all kinds of poop in it. But yeah, 500 likes, I'll cut my hair. 2,000 likes, and Randy blank reveal. I would like to shorten it. And until next time, with actual car content and not just talking about stuff.
Check you later.
We'll check you later and all that stuff. Thanks again for watching the videos, guys.
Mike's weird outro.
Fuck off. Shall I turn out the light? Oh, no. I'm not going to be cheated out of this. You know, all my life I've wondered about it, and now I'm going to find out. Does Santa Claus sleep with his whiskers inside or outside the covers? Oh, outside, of course. Outside, by all means. The cold makes them grow.